So today I'm going to cover the English and the general science part of the exam. So so just give me 1 second. Okay. So we start off with some of the questions. The first one is use a suitable auxiliary verb to fill in the blank space. Sorry. Yeah. Hello. Okay. So first one is use a auxiliary verb to fill the blank space. Mother says you dash to go to the market at once. You have to. Whenever it's a verb which indicates an immediate action, it will be have to. Next one, fill in the space with an infinitive. Dash dash fault is easy. To find fault is easy. Next one, fill in the blanks with the correct word. Dash his illness, he attended the function. Now, you have to be careful here. You have to understand the meaning of the sentence. There are two phrases, dash his illness, comma, he attended the function. That means even though he was ill, he attended the function. And the word that should come is despite. Despite his illness, he attended the function. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct word. The stream was dashed by the waterfall. Now, you look at the options. It cannot be filled. It cannot be full. Full is the wrong usage of English. Fed up is something else. It is fed. Next one. A dash star was seen in the sky. So a star it can be a bright star or a shining star or a shooting star. Puts one in mind means, now putting one in mind means to remind or recollect. Select the correct meaning of the idiom underlined below. No one dare call in question his honesty. Call in question means to challenge. Straightforward. Approval may be expressed by the following interjection. Now, when you approve something, you basically say, well done. Bravo. So, bravo is the correct interjection. Next one, book may be used with which of the following? Now, you can't use book with trousers. You can't use book with insects. You can't use book with painting. But you can use book with ticket. You book a ticket. Choose the correct meaning of the word from the alternatives given below. Genre. Genre means a particular category or a specific group belonging to a particular genre. Put in correct participle in the blank space. Mary dash comma, we were freed from anxiety. Mary having arrived, we were freed from anxiety. Next one, choose the word opposite in meaning to the word underlined below. The crowd felt stupefied by the lecture. Stupefied means stunned, astonished, amazed. You are basically transfixed. You're so shocked that you are unable to move. That's the meaning of stupefied. And the opposite would be enthused. You're bubbling with energy. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the word underlined below. The silence of the children was sinister. Silence means quiet. The opposite is lot of noise. And the word out of these is cacophony. Cacophony is, it's like a fish market. It's a lot of noise uh, and very high decibel of noise. So that's cacophony. Okay. Next one. Fill in the blank with the correct word. You had better dash permission. You always ask for permission. You had better ask permission. Next one. Who dash saw her did not pity her. Who dash saw her did not pity her. The actual meaning of this, whoever that saw her did not pity her. It's a question mark. Okay. Next, fill in with a relative pronoun the blank space. The sun dash rays give life to the earth was regarded by the ancients as a god. The sun whose rays give life to the earth, whose actually is defining the sun. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the question number 20.
Mhm.
Sir, why is it not asked? Because after had, past tense should come, right?
You
You
had
better.
better. The correct, yes, you're right. Actually, this is not the correct usage. The correct usage should be you had better asked for permission. Even that for is missing, right? You had better
Yes, sir.
ask
Okay.
for permission. You're absolutely right. If it is
Okay,
had,
sir.
it has to be asked. But in the choice, they haven't given asked. The choices are want, ask, call, order. So whatever is given, you have to choose from there, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
A stoic person can entice, endure, excite, enable. Now, the meaning of a stoic means someone who's a recluse, right? Who's very calm, who is indifferent to whatever is happening around him, nonchalant, right? So basically, a stoic person is a symbol of endurance. He will not open his mouth. Okay. Next one. There was a dash on the midnight train. Now, look at the options closely. There was a dash on the midnight train. So the only word that comes to fit in here is hold. There was a hold on the midnight train. Insert the correct adverb phrase in the blank space. Do this in a short time, in a dash manner. Short time means you have to do it quickly, swift manner. Okay. Uh, Preposition in the sentence. Here is the watch, dash, you had asked, dash. So here is the watch which you had asked for. Sorry, not which, that you had asked for. Which, because it's a particular watch that is being referred to here. So if it is referring to a particular substance or a particular thing, it is that. Here is the watch that you had asked for. Select the correct meaning of the idiom underlined below. The singer was not in voice. Now, not in voice means you are in your elements. You are able to sing uh, or speak well. So, to sing well is the meaning of in voice. Okay. Insert proper preposition in the sentence. He hinted dash some treasure. You always hint at some treasure, some lost treasure. Even this is incorrect. It should be lost, L-O-S-T. Okay. Hand in glove means what? Hand in glove means you are in connivance with someone. You are in very good terms with someone. Intimate terms. Next one, auxiliary verb. She dash sit for hours listening to the wireless. She would sit for hours listening to the wireless. Okay. Dash is worth ambition. To reign is worth ambition because ambition means you want something, you crave for something. And what is that craving? The craving is to rule or to reign. Okay. Next one. He is here. Dash is fortunate. Which is fortunate? Next one. Edmund Burke had a wonderful gift of the gab. Gift of the gab means eloquence, ability to speak well, oratory. That's gift of the gab. Next, whether dash there will be a garden party at the government house tomorrow, weather permitting. Next one. This is the dash post office to my house. This is the nearest post office to my house. Next one. I can't walk any further. F-U-R-T-H-E-R. Now, we use both F-A-R-T-H-E-R and F-U-R-T-H-E-R. Both are used interchangeably to show distance. But when I use F-A-R-T-H-E-R, I am actually referring to how far something is from something else. And when I use F-U-R-T-H-E-R, that is meant to uh, mean a distance which is not quantifiable. That's the subtle difference between the two. Next one. There's no love lost between them. No love lost means not in good terms. They're not enemies completely, but they're not in very good terms. That's the meaning of no love lost. Okay. Next one. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the word underlined below. The appearance of the stranger was forbidding. Forbidding means something which is repulsive, which stops you. And the opposite of that would be something which is amicable or amiable. Next one. The belief in witchcraft is losing ground. Losing ground means it is becoming less popular, less acceptable. Okay. Next one. Surprise may be expressed by the following interjection. So when you are surprised, you say ha. So ha is the interjection that we use for surprise. Next one. Mellifluous means sweet sounding. Mellifluous music means sweet sounding music. Next one. The dash door awakened the dog. The creaking door. When you open a door, there's a sound that's called creaking, especially if it's an old door. Next, the expression to take stock of means to take stock of something means to survey, to reconnoiter, to understand. That is the meaning of to take stock. Next one. The crew were dash the ship for a month. The crew were on board the ship for a month. Next one. People responded to the leader's speech with shouts of ecstasy. And you have to mention the opposite word. Ecstasy means extreme joy or pleasure. And the opposite would be displeasure. Okay. Next one. The sea dash we went for sail. The sea being smooth, we went for sail. Okay. Correct meaning of the word quintessential. Quintessential means it is a typical thing. Quintessential example means a typical example of something. Next one. In a moment of hurry, the files have been dashed by Hamilton. Cast aside. That means left out. Next one. I prevailed dash him to join our group. I prevailed on him to join our group. Next one. An ophthalmologist deals with eyes. Ophthalmology is the study of diseases of the eye. Memorabilia refers to, this is also called memento, which means memories of some objects which is related to a place or an event or a person or something. Next, choose an expression similar in meaning to the word imbroglio. Imbroglio means it's a state of confusion, a mess. Next, he talked to his horse, dash, the horse could understand his grief. He talked to his horse as if or as though the horse could understand his sorrow. Next, a misanthrope is a person who dislikes other people. Misanthropic means disliking other people. And disliking women is misogynistic. Next, converting sentence into interrogative sentence. I will meet you at the train station. This is the answer. The question should be, where will you meet me? Next one. She wanted to go on vacation, so she saved money. Convert into a simple sentence. Now here there are two phrases. She wanted to go on vacation, comma, so she saved money. She saved money for a vacation. Next, convert the given sentence into simple sentence. Pancakes are delicious, but not without syrup. Now, whenever you have a connecting word like but, when, because, etc., excuse me, that becomes a complex sentence. So I have to get rid of the word but. So pancakes are delicious. Sorry. Pancakes are delicious only with syrup. Okay. Add a prefix, suitable prefix to form the opposite of the word balance. Imbalance or disbalance. Next, the jury dash divided in their opinion. Now, jury is a plural. It is clearly there. So, jury were. Next, he preferred classical music dash popular numbers. Always preferred to. He entered the hall in the dash part of the show. Latter part of the show. LATTER. He says he has invented a time machine, which is clearly a load of cobblers. Now, this is an idiom that means nonsense. No sooner dash the sun risen than the fog disappeared. No sooner had the sun risen than the fog disappeared. Let's meet dash next week. Let's meet. It can be sometime next week, once next week, depending on what the choice is given, or again next week. Okay. My watch is 5 minutes. Either it is fast or slow. He advanced dash he could. He advanced as far as he could. Next, I'm sure I dash him before. I have met him before or have seen him before. I dash him for a long time. I know him for a long time, or I had known him for a long time. Correct form of the given sentence. They discussed about the matter. About is not needed. They discussed the matter. About is a wrong usage. Next, we had gone to the movies last night. Now, had gone is past perfect. Now, when you are referring to a very near past, then you just use we went to the movie last night. Next, the tranquility and sanctity of the place soothed us. Replace the underlined word with a suitable word. Sanctity means holiness. Next, the detective suddenly dashed a useful clue. Suddenly came across or found an a useful clue. Again, there is a wrong usage here. It should be an useful clue. Find the appropriate synonym of the word indefatigable. Fatigable means tired. Fatigue means tiredness. So indefatigable means tireless. Next one. The word beleaguered. Beleaguered means troubled. Next, change the voice of the verb and select the correct answer. The script is being written, so you have to change the voice. So they are writing the script, or he is writing the script. Next one, the idiomatic expression see eye to eye means to agree. Okay, next one. Ornithology is the study of birds. Next one. Ram made the most of his resources. Next one. The word necrophilia. Necrophilia means love for dead people. So you love to see dead bodies. That's necrophilia. Okay. Next, correct the following sentences. I did not like him disturbing me at that late hour. It should not be him, it should be his. I did not like his disturbing me at that late hour. Next, death is preferable to dishonor. Next, he is enough wise to understand the situation. It should be the other way around. He is wise enough. Next, he is seldom or ever to be seen at his shop. He is seldom seen at his shop, or ever to be is redundant. It's not required. He is seldom seen at his shop. Next, the teacher has not yet entered into the classroom. Now, whenever you have yet, it comes at the end. So the teacher has not entered into the classroom yet. Next, I am prepared to say it at his face. It is on his face. Next, He insisted to leave immediately. He insisted on leaving immediately. Next, he always says the truth. Says is wrong usage. He always tells the truth. Next, wealth is only means the end is happiness. Wealth is the only means, wealth is only the means, sorry, it's the other way around. Wealth is only the means, comma, happiness is the end. When you are having two subjects, it should follow in the same sequence in the sentence. Next, I doubt that he will come. This can be corrected in two ways. You can say, I doubt whether he will come, or I doubt that he will not come. Both are correct. Next, he has promised to lend us some money, isn't it? Once again, there can be two ways to correct this. He has promised to lend us some money. Now, he is the subject of the sentence, so the verb has to refer to he. So he has promised to lend us some money, hasn't he? Or you can also say, he promised to lend us some money, didn't he? Both are correct. Okay. Next, according to me, we should spend more money on education. According to me, comma, we should spend more on education. Money is redundant here. Next, she returned back after some time. Now, the word return means to come back. You don't use the word back after return. She returned after some time. Next, most shopkeepers in the mall deal with jewelry and fashion items. Now, there are two usage of deal. When you say deal with, you typically mean dealing with an enemy, situation, uh, dealing with a danger, etc. And when you mean dealing uh, in some objects or in some things, so there you use deal in some objects. So here it would be deal in. The teacher asked the new student what was his name. So this is interrogative, asked. The teacher asked the new student what his name was. Was will come at the end. Okay, next one. Neither the convict nor his lawyer was present, because when you use neither nor or either or, you are referring to a singular person or a singular thing. So the verb should be singular. Next, we need to buy more stationery for our office. Now, common usage of the plural of stationery is stationery itself. The plural of furniture is furniture itself. We don't use the S with these. But when we are referring to many kinds of stationery, then we say stationaries. That's an exceptional case that is to be used only when you are referring to different kinds of stationery. So here the reference is to buy more stationaries, different kinds of stationery. Next, if it will rain, I'll come and meet you in the car. Now, this is the wrong usage of the word will, of the verb will. it should be if it rains, comma, I'll come and meet you in the car. Next one. Time and tide waits for none. There are two things that are being referred. So the verb should be plural. Wait for none. I doubt that he will be able to accomplish the task in time. Once again, you can use whether. I doubt whether he will be able to accomplish the task in time, or you can say, I doubt that he will not be able to accomplish the task in time. Now we run through some science questions. Now, ECG, you all know what ECG is, electrocardiogram. It records the heartbeat. The food that gives more calories per unit mass is fat. Two cars passing each other at high speed are in danger of side swapping because when they're passing, one car is passing another car at high speed, the velocity of the air trapped between the cars is very high, and wherever the velocity is high, the pressure is low. So because of the low pressure, there is a tendency of the cars to stick to each other or side swap. Pressure is low between the cars. Okay. Brass. Brass is a mixture of, it's an alloy of copper and zinc. Right. Next, which one among the following is the main ingredient in cement? Cement is mainly made up of limestone. Twinkling of stars is on account of the refraction of light through different layers of the atmosphere where the density of the layers differ. Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year, and it is roughly equal to 9.64 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers. Ventilators are provided at the top of the room so that there is convection of air in order to keep the room cool. At magnetic poles, the angle of dip. Now, the angle of dip is the angle made by the compass with the horizontal, and that angle of dip at the poles is 90 degree. At the equator, it is 0. Next one. If persons addicted to alcohol, the liver gets damaged because it accumulates fat. There's a disease called fatty liver that happens because of alcohol abuse. Next one. Noise pollution is created if the noise is in excess of 80 decibels. Next one. Biogas mainly consists of methane, and there's some amount of hydrogen and carbon dioxide.